Hey guys, why this guide is so special? Our SEO Keyword Research course is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to optimize websites for search engines effectively. The course aims to help you improve website visibility, increase organic traffic, and boost online presence, ultimately driving more leads and sales for your business. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this course provides comprehensive training on the latest SEO strategies and best practices. The course is led by Justine and her team, a seasoned SEO expert with over 5 years of experience in the digital marketing industry. Justine, with her team members, has successfully optimized websites for numerous high-profile clients, driving significant traffic and revenue growth. With a proven track record and a deep understanding of SEO, Justine's team is dedicated to sharing their expertise and helping you achieve outstanding results. Ranking high on search engines is crucial for your online success. It increases your website's visibility, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Higher rankings lead to more organic traffic, which means more potential leads and sales without the need for paid advertising. Additionally, being on the first page of search results enhances your credibility and trustworthiness in the eyes of users, giving you a competitive edge in your industry. What sets this SEO course apart from others is its comprehensive, hands-on approach and industry-leading content. Our course includes up-to-date information, practical application, exclusive tools and resources, expert instructions, interactive learning, lifetime access to course materials, step-by-step guide, action plan, free extras, and much, much more. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your SEO skills and drive your business to new heights. Enroll in our SEO course today and gain access to expert knowledge, practical tools, and an information which you won't find anywhere else. Don't just take our word for it. See what our satisfied customers have to say. Take advantage of our limited time discount and secure your spot now. Transform your online presence and start seeing real results with the power of SEO. Click the link to join us and begin your journey to mastering SEO.